How to switch Instagram back to personal account. So if you want to switch your Instagram, then all you have to do is first of all open up your Instagram app, and then on the bottom right corner you will have your profile. Tap on your profile, and then on the upper right corner you will have a 3-bar icon. Tap on that, and then head over to settings and privacy. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you will have creator tools and controls under for professionals. Tap on that, and here you will have a bunch of options. So tap on switch account type, and then here you will have two options: switch to business account and switch to personal account. So if you want to switch to personal account, then tap on switch to personal, and then again tap switch to personal account, and now your account has been switched to personal one. So that's it guys, that's how you switch Instagram back to your personal account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.